everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to delete Battle.net account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to delete your Battle.net account, then here's how to do it. You can only create a request to remove personal information from your Battle.net account. To request your account deletion, open up a web browser, type in battle.net into the search bar and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your Battle.net account, and once you are, click on the support button at the top right hand corner. In the search bar appearing on the next page, type in delete Battle.net account and press enter. Scroll a bit down and you'll be able to see a link that says delete Battle.net account. Give it a click and you'll be taken to this page. It says that if you want to delete your account, you may create a request to remove personal information from your account. So your personal information will include your name, contact information, security details, your saved payment methods, purchase history, and so on. Click on this link right here that says click here in order to make a request to delete your Battle.net account. Now, go through the information once and click on I understand that I am requesting to have all of my data removed. I understand that neither Blizzard nor I will ever be able to recover this information. Once you click on this little box, the continue button will activate. Give it a click, and now you'll need to type in your verification code that will be sent to your email address that you provided for Battle.net. Open up a new tab and log into your email service provider. You'll be able to receive an email from Blizzard. Simply go ahead and copy your code that has been sent to you and go back to this verification page. Now paste in the verification code and click on submit. Soon after you do that, you have successfully submitted a request to delete your personal information and your Battle.net account. You'll receive an email if your account has been removed or not. Your request may take up to 30 days to complete. Once this process is completed, Blizzard will not be able to recover your information or restore the account to its previous state under any circumstances. So that is how you can request to delete your account for Battle.net, since it doesn't have a specific button to delete your account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.